Hi everyone, here we've got LG G8X ThinQ, and let me show you how to block specific number on this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer and make sure that you're on a dial or call logs mode. Now let's click on this three dots icon and click on call settings. Here we've got call blocking and decline with message, so let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got the first option. We can block private numbers, so your device will reject all calls from private numbers. Now it is turned on. If you want to turn it off, just tap on the switcher, and now you will receive incoming calls from private numbers. But let me turn it on. And now let's go to the blocked numbers. As you can see here, we've got our blacklist. Here we've got the number we've previously blocked. If you want to add new ones, simply click on this plus icon. And now you can add a new number from contacts, from call logs, or new number. So after tapping, for example, on contacts, you will be transferred to your contact list. And by tapping, you can choose the one you want to block. For example, this one. Click on done if you're ready. And as you can see, it immediately appears on our blacklist. So from now on, you won't receive any incoming calls or text messages from that number. Let's tap on this plus icon again. And as you can see, you can add new number. You can add it manually, so let's type the number you want to block and click on block. And as you can see, it also appears on our blacklist. If you want to unblock the number, simply click on this remove icon and tap on the number you want to unblock. For example, Judy and this one. Click on remove, remove again, and from now on, those numbers are unblocked, so you will receive all incoming calls and text messages from those numbers. So that's all. This is how to block specific number in your LG G8X ThinQ. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.